Good morning, all. How are you? Today I will tell you one story, and our topic is tit for tat. On this page number 7, you can see one story. One day, Amina met a painter and said, "Can you make my picture?" Painter said, "Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for painting your picture." After a while, the painter saw her picture. You can see here, painter showing the picture to the Amina. Amina, how do you like it? वो पूछता है कि कैसा लगा तुझे पिक्चर. Amina said, "But this is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete image." तो पेंटर क्या बोलता है कि मैंने हाफ ड्रॉ किया है. इफ़ यू विल पुट द मिरर देन यू कैन get the exactly the half other image. So put a mirror image and you can get the complete picture. So painter said, "Now can I have my money?" तो पेंटर पूछता है कि मुझे मेरे पैसे दे दो. अमीना gave him 100 रुपये. तो अमीना ने क्या किया, उसने ट्रिक की, टिट फॉर टैट जैसी. उसने क्या किया कि एक 100 रुपीज़ की नोट पेंटर को दे दी. तो पेंटर सेड, "बट दिस इज़ ओनली हाफ द मनी." 100 रुपीज़ नोट दिया तो क्या बोलेगा पेंटर, तो दिस इज़ ओनली हाफ द मनी. देन अमीना सेड, "द अदर हाफ इज़ एग्जैक्टली द सेम. सो जस्ट पुट अ मिरर नेक्स्ट टू द नोट to get the full money. You can get the 200 rupees. If you will put the mirror between the 100, then you can get the 2, right? So 200 rupees. So अमीना ने भी पेंटर जैसा ही किया, right? So यहाँ पे स्टोरी से बनता है कि अगर हम कोई भी एक चीज़ अगर मिरर इमेज को साथ में रख के करें तो वही सेम इमेज आपको दूसरी साइड मिल जाए. अगर आधी इमेज हो तो भी आपको फुल इमेज मिल जाएगी, right? The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. I already told you that in last page, tit for tat, one story I already told you that in that painter had made the half picture, right? And other half you can see with the mirror. See here, some pictures are also there. How to draw these pictures? See here, the half picture is there, right? This is the half picture. If I will draw or if I will show you with the mirror, then you can see the full image, right? See here, if I will show you with the mirror, you can see the full picture of this butterfly from the mirror. First half on the board and second half on the mirror, right? You can show the full picture. If I will show you with this drawing, you can see here I will draw this other half, right? You can see full picture of this butterfly. Understood now? Okay. Next is the lamp. See here, half lamp is already drawn here by the painter. Other half you have to draw yourself. Now I am showing you this. You can see here, you can see the full lamp with the mirror house. Now I will show you by drawing this lamp. If I will draw like this, you can see the other half of this picture, right? So you can see the full picture of this lamp. Now third one is the cat face, right? See here, half cat face is already drawn. Right? If you will see, by putting the mirror, you can see the full picture of this. So I will show you by drawing this cat face. You have to draw this other half of this picture. You can draw like this only, right? So you can show the full face of this mirror. Other two pictures of star and fish is there. You have to draw in your homework, right? You have to do in your homework, right? You have to draw the half part and then the other half, and afterwards you have to put your mirror on the image and you can show the full picture. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? देखो यहाँ पे एक 3 पिक्चर्स है, राइट? फर्स्ट वन इज ऑफ कैटरपिलर, सेकंड वन इज ऑफ कप एंड थर्ड वन इज ऑफ फ्लैग. अगर आप इमेज रखते हो तो यहाँ पे फुल इमेज है, सो यू कांट गेट द हाफ इमेज फ्रॉम दिस टू हाफ नॉट सेम. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot pay the trick. Draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. तो आपको यहाँ पे नीचे एक जगह दी है, वहाँ पे क्या करना है कि ऐसी 3 इमेज आपको बनानी है कि जो दोनों साइड से सेम नहीं हो. ऊपर का जो मैंने 3 बताया, कैट फेस है, लैम्प है, राइट? तो वो दोनों साइड से सेम है. यहाँ पे देखो कैटरपिलर जो भी है वो भी दोनों साइड से सेम नहीं है, आगे का मुंह और पीछे की पूंछ अलग अलग है. कप है वो भी सेम नहीं है. फ्लैग है वो भी पूरा अगर आप उसको डिवाइड करो तो सेम नहीं होगा. तो ऐसे यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे 3-4 एग्जाम्पल ऐसे देने हैं कि जहाँ पे वो सेम नहीं हो दोनों साइड से, राइट? तो यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर है वहाँ पे आपको ऐसे बताना है. अंडरस्टूड? Some pictures are there. The picture of caterpillar, cup and this flag, right? In this picture, if you will put the mirror between these two, the two sides are not equal, right? Here, both the sides, you can see the same picture of either this side or this side, but full picture can't see. So, two pictures you can't see, you cannot make the mirror house between this because this is the asymmetrical, right? Both the sides are not same. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.